Love the look of wood flooring, but worry about scratches or the time and effort it takes to maintain it? Introducing the all-new KD Laminate Flooring. It completely redefines what wood floors can be. The surface features our exclusive scratch resistance UV coating, making cleaning and maintenance incredibly easy. With AC4 rated commercial grade durability, it's built for high traffic spaces like offices and shops. No need to worry about daily wear and tear anymore. With high-density IXPE waterproof and sound-reducing underlayment, which helps reduce noise, and combined with high-density fiberboard, it offers excellent moisture resistance, perfect for humid climates and effective at preventing mold. Our easy click lock installation system means it is completely nail-free and glue-free, faster, cleaner, and far more efficient. With synchronized embossing technology and hyperrealistic printed film, the texture looks and feels just like real wood, more natural, more refined, and more authentic. It also meets the national low-formaldehyde and eco-safety certifications, so you get premium quality while protecting your family's health. Premium quality, fully certified. KD Laminate Flooring. Come experience the difference for yourself.